So as I'm trying to come up with a cleaning method, I'm trying all these different cleaning methods. I've been doing it for years. The one that I think works best is the lazy zone version, which is, so how I do it is, well, how they do it is like, okay, every Monday you do, the 3 bathrooms, or every Tuesday you do. So it's all these different things, and I'm sure you can change it around. But how I do it is that, first of all, make sure your house is decluttered so that you don't have a lot of stuff. And second of all, make sure there is no visual clutter. That's the main thing, is to keep things off surfaces, because that will keep you less overwhelmed and your brain less anxious. And the third thing I do is that I do laundry whenever I do laundry. So I'll throw loads in anytime, but I don't always pull them out of the dryer. I don't always fold them. Like, I don't have a set day, and I don't feel like having a set day right now. I just do it when it needs to be done, when someone's complaining about it, or when I feel like doing it. So I don't put that on myself. But what I do at night, and you see my house is pretty clean. What I do at night is I try to do the dishes every single night. And it's not hard because I soak them during the day. So I always put them in the sink and soak them, or make sure that they are soaked. And then time yourself for the kitchen, because usually it should take you probably no more than 10 minutes, to be honest, to clean most of your kitchen and to get them in the dishwasher. And that's with a pre-wash. I give everything a pre-wash before I put it in the dishwasher. So that'll take me anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. But the main thing, the biggest thing that I have learned is the night before, I pick a room. While I'm laying in bed, to be honest, I pick a room that I want to do tomorrow, that I want to focus on. So no more than 30 minutes, though, in a room. So I'll pick a room and I'll focus on it, and I'll say, you know what, tomorrow I'm going to go through like the living room. That way those shelves are there if there's messy stuff in there, because I do, as I see, as I'm walking through, I'll see things, I'll be like, oh my gosh, I want to organize that. But I don't have to worry, because I know that day is coming, right? So I don't have to stress about the organization then, because there'll be a set day for it, or I'll decide when I feel like doing it, right? So it's not something that has to be done now. It'll be like, okay, well, next time I decide that, okay, I'm going to that zone clean the living room. And then I don't have a list of set tasks that are done in that zone. I mostly declutter, vacuum, and dust everything, do the basic cleaning stuff. But what I will do, though, is sometimes I'll look up a list like the night before while I'm laying in bed, because it takes me like 2 minutes, and say, okay, well, what are some tasks I could possibly do tomorrow in the living room? Like, if your room is clean enough, and no more than 30 minutes, because yeah, you won't get it all done, but you're not going to like tire yourself out from it emotionally. It's not a big deal. And you know that next time you decide to do that room, that, okay, you're going to, that then you'll finish up whatever tasks you didn't do. Because cleaning it's not a one and done thing, which is what sucks about cleaning. It's like studying for school. You've never hit the point where you're like, you know what, I've studied enough. I have studied so much. No, it's never like that. There's always more studying you could do. Same with cleaning. There's always more cleaning you could do. So I just it tries to keep my stress level down by saying, okay, well, next time I zone clean that room, I will tackle that. And then I also don't lump all the bathrooms together right now, because right now they're too big of a job, because we just moved into this older house. We're redoing it. It's a mobile home. We're redoing it. And so it's just one bathroom at a time. Like, okay, tomorrow I'm going to tackle such and such a bathroom. And then I'll get up and I'll probably start doing it like pretty soon in the morning, because I'm a morning person. But if you're a night person, then do it at night, right? Like it's not, I also don't have a set time for when you do something. It's just for me personally. If that's a task that I want to get done that day, I'm doing those tasks first. I don't have a laundry list of tasks to do either, because I just choose like a couple things that are the most important tasks for me to get done, and then I go ahead and do it. So anyway, I hope that helps maybe help you come up with a more relaxed yet doable cleaning thing. The only thing is so if you don't do the dishes that day, you don't have to do them that day. Okay, you can leave for tomorrow, and then it wakes up and kind of sucks. I get it. But like what I did is I was like, okay, well, tomorrow I'm going to do the kitchen. So I left all the dishes. And then when I got up, I didn't actually get to end deep cleaning any of the kitchen, because it was so overwhelming, all the dishes that were laying there for me, because there was a ton of them. But the thing is when you're doing a habit, is you can miss one day, just don't miss 2 days in a row. It's kind of the habit rule, is you can miss one day, but don't miss 2 days in a row. So before you go to bed, 5 minutes, just put 5 minutes into throwing dishes into the dishwasher. Just 5 minutes, just 5. That's it. Even if 5 to 10 being ideal, because even a really messy kitchen in 10 minutes, you should be able to get a lot of dishes done. Because there's 4 of us, but sometimes when my stepson's here, there's 5 of us, and I can still, he has to rinse his own bowls though, but I can still get everything cleaned and washed and put away in under 10 minutes max. So I try to remember that when it feels like it sucks. I'm like, okay, well, it's only 10 minutes, so I could do it. So maybe that'll help you. Okay, bye-bye.